guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply makeup to your bare face on CapCut PC. Select your video and go to enhance and just go straight to makeup, which is here. So they have like these which like apply a single look to your face like so. Or you have these options where you can add in the eyelash, eyeshadow, and lipstick separately. So for instance, I want to add in just like the eyelashes portion of the video. I can do that. I can also adjust the opacity so it doesn't look like super fake. I'm also going to add in a shadow as well to the video. I'm just going to apply this one, and I'm going to also add in lipstick to this as well, and that is basically it. Unfortunately, you can't apply like blush. I would love to like just apply just a blush, but that's pretty much it. You also have like this face thing that like smooths out your face here. So here, if you have like blemishes, you can even like brighten it up or delete some smile lines and like dark circles as well. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!